Whether Banknifty momentum is dead, why most of the people are moving away from Banknifty to trade in Nifty. So what is happening in Banknifty? Whether it is better to trade in Banknifty or should you stop trading in Banknifty? Hi, welcome to another video in this channel. My name is Sharath. In this video, I will discuss about what is happening in Banknifty and should we trade in Banknifty or should we avoid trading in Banknifty, and what is the reason behind Banknifty's these sort of momentum. Whether momentum is really dead in Banknifty or something else is happening in Banknifty. If you observe the Banknifty chart from past few days, Banknifty is making a sideways to volatile momentum. If you observe Banknifty here, Banknifty made a downward direction momentum, but the momentum was very slow comparatively. Here also you can see Banknifty made a upward direction momentum. Again, suddenly it made a reversal momentum. Again, here also you can see Banknifty made a complete volatile to sideways momentum. Here also Banknifty broken previous swing level or support level. It made a sharp downfall momentum. After that, Banknifty made a reversal here. So why it is happening in Banknifty? So if you observe the traders trend, most of the traders started trading at Corona time. Most of the people opened account on 2020. Now the time is 2023. It's been 3 years. Most of the traders know the basic of support, resistance and trend line, or most of the people might be aware of how the breakout happens and how the reversal happens. Most of the people are very thorough with the basics. But the problem for the big players is they have to trap the retail traders to make money. Otherwise, what happens if all the people make money? That means if all the 90% people who lose money in the market, if they start to make money, then these big players could not able to make money. So that is the reason why market is becoming little bit tougher day by day. And another reason for this Banknifty's momentum is, if you observe the historical data, whenever price makes a upward direction momentum or whenever price moves in a upward direction, that means if the price is bullish in weekly time frame or daily time frame, then most of the time price moves very slowly. So that is another reason whenever price makes a upward direction momentum, it usually moves very slowly. So that is the reason why if you observe the Banknifty chart from past 3 years, Banknifty made a sharp upward direction momentum after a Corona crash. So Banknifty is moving in a upward direction, and whenever price makes a upward direction momentum, most of the time there will be less intraday momentum. Most of the time Banknifty makes gap up open and it stays sideways for the whole day, and next day it opens gap up, again it stays sideways, and again it opens gap up, and again it makes a downfall direction momentum, and again it consolidates, again it makes a gap up, and it moves like that. So if you observe, whenever Banknifty made a downward direction momentum, it was really very quick. Here you can see till this week, Banknifty made a sharp downward direction momentum. So whenever price made a downward direction momentum, here you can clearly see that. Here you can clearly see in 15 minutes time frame. Let's move to the 15 minutes time frame. I will clearly show here. Whenever Banknifty made a downward direction momentum, it was really very quick. It made a straight fall, again it made a straight fall here, again one sideways day, two sideways day, again it made a downward direction momentum, again it made a downward direction momentum, again it made a downward direction momentum. Whenever price moves in downward direction momentum in Banknifty, most of the time price moves very quickly in Banknifty. But whenever price moves in upward direction, most of the time in Banknifty price moves very slowly, or it will make gap up open and after that it will consolidate. Here you can see Banknifty made a wonderful upward direction momentum, but compared to the downward direction momentum, here you can see Banknifty stayed sideways for a whole day on November 1, and on November 2 it made a gap up open. After that it made a reversal here, again sideways momentum. Next day gap up open, sideways momentum. Next day gap up open and it made a sideways momentum. So this is how price moves in upward direction. So always remember, if you are a trader in Banknifty, if price moves in a upward direction, there is a good possibility that it will move in sideways, or it will make gap up open, then it will stay sideways, or it will make volatile momentum whenever Banknifty moves in a upward direction. Another reason for this might be expiry days are almost every day nowadays. So that might be also another reason for Banknifty's this sort of momentum. In the comment box, please mention which instrument you are trading, Nifty, Banknifty or Sensex or Midcap. What are the instruments you trade usually? So this is the major reasons we are finding in Banknifty. That is the reason why momentum is bit less in Banknifty or volatile in Banknifty. So it's always better to wait for a proper opportunity in Banknifty, because if you observe Banknifty consolidates for a very long time, and once the breakout happens, it moves very quickly. Here also you can see Banknifty consolidated here, breakout was very quick. Whenever price makes a downward direction momentum, it moves very quickly in Banknifty compared to any other indices. So in in Bank Nifty, this is the major problem most of the traders are facing. So only one thing we can do with Bank Nifty is we have to wait for a proper price action. Otherwise, we will get trapped. If you enter at every point like you used to do in 2020 or 2021, then there is a good chances that you will get trapped. If you still use the basic support or resistance level concepts, or if you still using the same basic breakout level concepts, then there is a good chances that you might get trapped by Bank Nifty. So that is very important nowadays. You have to wait for a proper opportunity, and we should not do over trading in these Bank Nifty situation, because if you observe the Bank Nifty chart, there is a good possibility that you might over trade in this momentum. So that is the reason why control over trading or avoid trading in Bank Nifty if you're finding it difficult, or wait for a proper opportunity in Bank Nifty. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you traders. Have a good day. Have a profitable week ahead.